Can you tell us your experience of visiting your GP?
So I'm a deaf person myself and I'm a BSL user. So I have to use BSL to access GPs. My experience of that isn't that great. When I first moved to Cardiff about 3 years ago, I registered with a GP and found that their access really didn't meet my requirements. The communication wasn't good. I didn't understand the doctor. I couldn't lip read the doctor. We couldn't work very well with writing things between us. So I had to abandon that surgery and move to another GP. That improved the situation. It was better. The receptionist was better. My understanding of engaging with the doctor had improved. One doctor still I couldn't understand fully. In terms of my options for the GP, they were limited. I've had a lot of problems trying to arrange a BSL access, to have a BSL interpreter there for my appointments. Lots of issues and problems have occurred, which has resulted in delay in accessing my GP. Sometimes I've had to wait about 4 weeks. So lots of things have happened like that, where I can't sort of get access through text messaging or email. My GP saying no to both of those things. We don't provide those as a service. So when I've asked why, they've told me it's because of data protection. So I've sort of said data protection, I can give you permission, which means we could do it, and they've still refused. So I've ended up having to try and phone, but I have to ask a family member to phone for me. Which means that there's further delay.
And what would you like to see the GPs and their staff do to help people with a sensory loss in the future?
My only request for GPs is that I want to be able to contact my GP independently through text messaging, through email, getting my results through, things like that. Very simply just that. One other thing is that my other request would be if, for GPs and for hospitals, A&Es, whatever, to take on board the realisation of how to arrange an appointment for a BSL interpreter.